Welcome back to 190 North. Now, for those who love finding good buys, life just got a little easier. A new website offering exciting daily deals has recently launched in Chicago, and it's uswoop.com. Of course, it's this week's 190 Bargain Bin.
Go to uswoop.com for great daily deals from 50 to 90% off just about anything. This Chicago-based website just launched in December.
Every day we feature one deal, and we call them swoops. It's available for 24 hours. If you like it, you can grab it. Once the 24 hours is over, we offer a new deal on our website.
And rewards are also offered, so you can get points towards free gift certificates. But that's not all.
Very soon, people are not only going to be able to log on to USWOOP to save money, but they can actually get paid for telling their friends about USWOOP. So uswoop.com will be a way to get a meaningful source of income.
That's it. Show over. Out of time. And if you need some information, you know what to do. You can log on to our website, 190north.com, or you could call the hotline at 312-750-7190. I'm Janet Davis.